Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.dunecrest.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Dunecrest American School. In this main page, left corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 22-23. So current vacancies. To apply for an open position at Dunecrest, please submit a letter of application, resume and 2 letters of reference via email to careers@dunecrest.ae. The minimum requirement for a teaching position at Dunecrest are a professional teaching certificate or qualification and a minimum of 3 years of relevant teaching experience. So first we can check what are the teaching vacancies for academic year 22-23. So librarian immediate hiring, social science higher secondary economics with the higher secondary social science, mathematics higher secondary, English higher secondary and English middle year, performing arts music specialist, learning support, ES counselor. So these are the vacancies for academic year 22-23. The application should be received by December 31, 2021. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can apply by before December 31st, 2021. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. So these job vacancies, you can submit your letter of application, CV and 2 letters of reference to careers@dunecrest.ae. If you want more details about the school, you can check it in the menu one by one. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The next one is you can enter in the URL www.reachbritishschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Reach British School. In this main page, right corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option career opportunities available. If you click this link career opportunities, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Reach British School academic year 22-23. So current vacancies full-time teaching position for academic year 22-23. Primary class teacher, key stage 1 and key stage 2. Secondary mathematics teacher, secondary English teacher, secondary science teacher, humanities teacher, food technology specialist teacher. So these are the vacancies for academic year 22-23. The ideal candidate will have the following qualification, skills and experience. The ability to innovate, excite and motivate children and colleagues, bachelor degree and PGCE, minimum 2 years of full-time teaching experience, exceptional communication skill, strong skills in the use of IT, UK curriculum experience is desirable. So to apply, please submit a brief letter of application and your CV to the Human Resource Department at recruitment@reachbritishschool.com. The closing date is open until position filled. So please note that only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So once you have selected the teaching job vacancies, they will check the criminal background check and or equivalent covering the previous 10-year employment history. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. So if you want more details about the Reach British School, left corner available. So what are the campus facilities, education in Abu Dhabi, whatever you want, you can check it in the menu one by one. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The campus and facilities, health services, uniform. So all the details available in the menu. So before applying, please check all the detail. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. So Reach British School recruit teacher in several ways, including direct application to the school and through international teaching recruitment agencies and organizations. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.aaess.org. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Al-Ain English Speaking School, Al-Ain. In this main page, right corner, one of the option join the team available. If you click this link join the team, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Al-Ain English Speaking School. So please note that the following guidelines to apply to any application. All applications must be trained and qualified, minimum 2 years of experience of teaching. Secondary school applications should have the following experience: subjective, GCSE, AS and A2 level. Part-time position are only available locally hired staff, and we encourage application from single teaching staff and also married teaching couple as long as we have vacancies or potential vacancies for both parties. So we will keep all the CVs filed for 3 months, and we could be in touch with you if we think you match up. So SAF for the academic year 22-23. So they are going to recruit academic year 22-23 teaching vacancies. So we are now recruiting for September 2022 in all subject areas and across the age range from lower primary, upper primary and secondary. So please email your CV to creator creader@aaess.sch.ae. If you are interested in working with us, drop your CV. Middle management position may be available for a suitable candidate with these positions. So please email CV to our HR team careers@aaess.sch.ae. So Al-Ain English Speaking School, they are going to recruit candidate for September 2022 for lower primary, upper primary and secondary teaching job vacancies. If you are interested job vacancies, you can send your CV to HR team careers@aaess.sch.ae. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will reply to you. I hope you can get a great job. All the best for your job search. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.